Hello. All right. So this is Dreamers Rationalization. The subject is reasoning. This is, I believe, part five. So let us start. First of all, I want to apologize sir. Nag-submit din ako late because of some issues surrounding my financial background. So I hope you can give me a consideration, sir. Okay. So for number one. So Sarah is to TBSBT and is to Palma is to what? So we know that this is a what do you call this? Dapat ang letters bitaw kay magkasunod with each other which is plus one as explained here by my explanation right here. So dapat S is to T, A is to B, R is to S, A is to B, and H is to T. Di ko sure aning S is to T. Ang anong ingananin ni siya. Pero we know that we have the, what do you call this, the concept na, the sequence itself. So, dapat the letter next to it is ang answer. So, dapat diriya pa lang is Palma. So, for option B is NBQJBO. So, mali na nadaan because we also know that dapat 5 letters ang iyang sequence. So, automatic A and B is wrong na because it's more than 5 words. So, for the letter C, P is to Q and A is to B, L is to M is to N, and A is to B. So, correct na siya because correct ang corresponding letters niya. So, P is to Q, A is to B, L is to M, and so on. So, for letter D, mali ni siya mali na ni siya because P is to S is not correct, A is to B is correct, L is to S is not correct, M is to S is not correct, and A is to Z is not correct. So therefore, our answer is letter C. Okay. So big is to enormous is to small is to what? So kaning analogy is uh what do you call this, synonyms. So we will first need to analyze ang mga choices right here. So letter A, minuscule is B. Correct na din siya. So based on definition itself, extremely small than in minuscule or something related to very small. So meaning letter A na atong answers. Nga nang dili mo si voluminous. Well, voluminous is loose and ample daw. So wrong na siya. Microscopic is visible sa naked eye which is opposite to microscopic. So wrong na na. And parasitic is something that lives in another organism. So wrong ni. Though parasitic is often associated with small things, dili gyapon na siya ang direct definition. So our answer therefore is letter A. So for number 3, Galileo Galilei is to telescope as to Benjamin Franklin is to what? So this is scientists and their invention major discovery. So for letter A is electricity. Correct na nidaan because this is what Benjamin Franklin studied before he became the founding fathers of the United States during the Civil War itself. And letter B, and steam engine, no, that is si James Watt. Oh, nag-invent na option C, telegraph wire. No, that is Samuel Morse. And motion picture camera, dili again, is either si Edison or si Lumiere ni. So therefore, our answer is letter A. Albert Einstein is the law of gravity, while Alexander Fleming is to what? So this is another scientist X. Scientist is to major discovery and invention, which is another which is another analogy that I explained in number 3. So, penicillin is the correct answer for this because that is what Alexander Fleming invented. So, for the monograph, this yung nag-invent ani telephone food and sonogram. So, therefore, our answer would be letter A. Number 5 is bat is to ball, while bow is to what? So, this is a projectile. I know dili ang launcher X projectile nga analogy. So, we know that that is self-explanatory, which is arrow. While tie, dili man na siya associated, and it's not also a very good projectile to throw. A string is also not a good projectile to throw due to its low volume, if I'm correct. And bone 2 is probably a good nga projectile pang throw, but it is not associated commonly to both. Therefore, our answer is still letter A. Hide is to conceal, while stop is to what? This is also a synonym or the word association. Yes, this is synonym ilang analogy. So, for option A, is pause, close, but dili siya ang exact synonym. Option B is reflect, dili. Wala ni siya connection. Option C is half. Yes. Ay, dili. Halt. Dapat halt, halt. Okay, sorry. Okay, dapat halt ni siya. It means stop completely, and ponder is no. It's irrelevant. So therefore, our answer is letter C. Okay? So 7 is bowed string is the violin, while woodwind is the what? This is something that this is an instrument that is associated with blowing or using your mouth. Guitar, no, that is a percussion instrument. Flute is the correct answer. Piano is not, and horn, wait, horn? Brass family, okay. Percussion in guitar and piano, okay? So therefore, our answer is letter B. Whale is the pod and kitten is the what? This is a animal and kingdom. Oh, kingdom may tawag na. This is a no, dili. This is a animal and a group name analogy. So, a pack is a group of wolves and dogs. Herd is a herd. Herd is a cows and elephants. Litter is the correct answer for here, and pride is the what do you call this? For lions. Okay, so therefore our answer is letter C. Sponge to porous and skunk is the what? This is a characteristic analogy. So this is the organism, while the analogy is the characteristics itself. Shiny? No, a skunk is not shiny. Carnivorous? A skunk is omnivorous in nature. Nocturnal? No again. Smelly? Of course. That is the common characteristics of a skunk. So therefore our answer is letter D. Do, did, cause is to what? Okay. Very obvious. It is D ang answer. Why not costed? This is in some circumstances, dili ni si commonly used as past tense as I explained here. Incorrect, except used this in specialized accounting usage, of course. Coast and coasted is unrelated. Therefore, our answer here right here is letter D. Ornithologist is to bird, while archaeologist is to what? Kani is scientist o niya, subject of study analogy ni. So, ang ornithologist is ka-study na siyag birds, while ang archaeologist is ka-study siyag ancient human history and prehistory through artifacts. So, option A is islands, dili geography ni. Mediators, dili gyapon. Archaeology, okay, tama na. Associated na siya sa word. And aquatic, no. I think that is a marine biologist. So, atong answer dire is letter C. Reasoning. No, dili. Reason is to SFBTPO, and is to think is to what? Okay, this is another kato akong giingon sa number 1. This is a okay. Let me watch it. Okay. Letter shift analogy ni. Okay. So as I explained here, dapat move dapat sila from the another letter para ma-form ilang character. So R is to S, E is to F, A is to B, S is to T, O is to T, and so on. So applying this knowledge, we get T is to U, H is to I is to J, N is to O, and K is to L. So therefore, our answer here is letter B. Okay. Carbon is to diamond and corundum is to what? This is a gemstone and it's what do you call this? Mineral and it's gemstone. So for garnet, no, different mineral na siya. Option B is ruby. Yes, this is a type of corundum and it's associated with ruby. Option C is portrush. I don't know how to pronounce that. Basta hindi na siya for sapphire or yellow sapphire. Pero ruby is more the direct famous sa corundum, while pearl is organic material ni dili ni mineral. So therefore, our answer is letter B. So for number 14, ice is to coldness and earth is to what? This is a noun and associated property nga analogy. Ang ice is ka-associate siya with coldness. while ang Earth is associated with gravity. Kinatawag ni siya usahay og gravitation. Option A is weight. Uh, related siya sa gravity pero dili exact nga property. Option B is jungle, not a defining property, though Earth is indeed abundant with these stuff. Option C, gravitism, yes, na gravity ang Earth, therefore this is our answer. Option D is C. So, dili ni C defining property sa Earth. So, therefore, our answer right here is letter C. Physician is to treatment as to judge is to what? Okay, this is a profession and primary output or action nga analogy, just like I explained here's explanation. Ang physician kay provide na siya og treatment. Wait, let me just change it. While ang judge is deliver og judgment, legal decision in a case court. So option A is punishment. Dili ni siya ang role sa judge, more like executioner or jailer. Judgment is yes, tama ni siya ang mag-convict sa criminals. Lawyer is unrelated, though it is indeed associated but not related. And court is the place, dili ang output. Therefore, our answer here is letter B. Okay, for number 16, I will explain this to you in here. So notice how this is the original, di ba? Kani. So, dapat, if I flip that over, mao ni iyang result. Kani. Mao ni iyang result. So, for letter A, mao na lang correct answer. Because if we flip that over, mura na si kani. Oh, so, hapit-hapit na siya na. Dapat correct na siya. Okay, for letter B, incorrect ni because ang position sa squares kay dili magka-match sa original because it is reverse na awa. Bisag unsaon pa nako pag flip, di yapon siya. I mean, except for some cases like this. Kani, incorrect po ni kay na-change ang position sa squares because no matter what I do, dili magkamao ang kani akong gi-flip kana. Okay, so we'll see. Yeah, letter D is incorrect gyapon ang positions kay swap niya vertically. Okay? So ingon ani yung position now. If I flip it over, ana siya. So mali siya ang orientation and ang direction. So therefore our answer right here is letter A. Okay. Number 17, which box contains the same shape as top series? I have explained it here. So tan-awon na to ang shape sa taas. Pareha-pareha la na sila forma murag L shape nga naigamay nga tulo-tulo o protrusion sa kilid. So ang gias kay asa sa ubos ang parehas o formas na sa taas. Kung imo silang i-compare, option A kay murag pareho pero na mirror lang na siya. So dili gyud na siya parehas og orientation. So option B is parehas pud og style pero lahi og corner ang naka-protrude. So dili gyapon. Option C is kung imo ni i-rotate gamay, exact match gyud na siya sa shape, parehas og cuts, angles og form, though naka-different lang og orientation. So therefore, our answer is letter C, but why not letter B? Medyo duol pero gamay nga extension kay naa sa pikas kilid, mao nang sayo. So therefore, our answer is letter C. Letter C. Which of the following frames completes the pattern? Okay, this is a transitioning nga ano. It's hard to explain because wait. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. Kani nga part, kani sa first box which is box A sa nato. Move dapat siya to the right. So ang result kay mo ingon ana siya. So siguro unya move ang first triangle sa pinaka beginning na pod. So ang result kay mag-ingon ani, so mag-transition na siya. So dapat ang atong answer is dapat mag-transition ning isa ka triangle sa pinaka beginning na pod. So asa man atong result ana. Let us look at our ratio. Atong answer here is letter D because look at it. Nag-transition na duha ka triangle. Unya isa ka triangle diri sa box 2. Unya na po si triangle sa ubos, unya 3 triangles. As I said, dapat ang isa ka triangle diri sa box 2 mubalik siya sa beginning para mo transition again. Therefore, our answer right here is letter D. Okay. Which of the following frames does not belong to the group? Okay, I will explain this in here again. This is the all possible answers of A, C, and D. This is actually an odd one out nga type of type of reasoning. So, ingon ani dapat ang A, C, and D nga choices. But the fact is, choice B is the only one nga odd one. Ingon ana siya. Either sa ano po, in between sa stars, kanya daghan na po siya sparkles. So usually, that is, usually for this case, dapat letter B ang answer because it is the odd one out, just like I explained this in here. So our answer right here is letter B. Number 20, a three-dimensional object is shown. Which front side view is correct? Okay. As I explained here, nagka-connect na siya for the view of letter A, dapat smooth na siya like diri kani nga L shape. Dapat connected na siya og smooth na siya. Letter B po dapat smooth ra pud na siya. Kay wala may nagka-connect aning sa taas niya kay murag rectangular shape diri, wala nagka-connect. So smooth na dapat siya diri pag-abot. Letter C dayon dapat smooth na siya despite the side view nga naka triangular shape iyang orientation, naka-square lang dapat siya og front view. While ang letter D is dapat square pud na because wala may orientation or shape nag-disturb sa iyahang side view. So dapat square lang gina siya ha. So therefore our answer is letter A. Thank you for listening.